हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करते हैं स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। फर्स्ट स्टॉक हमारा विप्रो लिमिटेड। कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रांग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रांग है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। विप्रो लिमिटेड, ओके, लेट्स मूव। विप्रो एवोल्यूशन of the service desk. The service desk has been a cornerstone of IT departments for decades, but the evolving needs of employees are now the significantly changing the future of work. The help desk is transiting ongoing. Okay, the help desk is transitioning from a reactive manual intervention based service model to an approach that is protective, intuitive, and digitally enabled. This transition is taking a quantum leap forward through the adoption of new age next generation technologies and leveraging a multi-channel approach. The digital service desk of today's is adding more and more capabilities, not just to keep up with business progress, but for acting as a catalyst for transforming the workplace into a strong technology driven and customer centric organization. Technologies enables, okay, digital transformation prolific include the adoption and the evolution of next generation technologies are the compelling overreaching drivers shaping the future of work across industries. The service desk, but ailing engine with these changes to stay relevant for organization. For example, cloud, cloud capabilities enable organization to access the analyze large swathes of data and drive the analytics that help them serve customers better. As global enterprises turn to the cloud, the service desk must do so too. Okay. Out of 255 million annual contacts, 10% were addressed through analytics, 15% through user self-service, and 14% through automation such as chatbots or virtual assistants. Okay. Gartner Magic Contract. Okay. Okay, for this service desk of the future must be founded on four key elements. Next generation technologies, including the intelligent automation, AI, ML, and other chatbot technologies, self service, data analytics, and personalizations. Intelligent automation, AI, and chatbot technologies self-service and personalizations of the employee experience and data analytics. Okay, intelligent automation, AI, and chatbot technologies. Automation is being integrated into the service desk to provide the faster and more efficient service as it helps and streamline process, reduce the error and save time. Organization can achieve quicker response to inquiries and more efficient handling of tasks such as resetting passwords and creating new accounts and managing software updates. Okay, intelligent virtual assistant IVA and language understanding NLU. Okay, self-service is the way forward. The traditional help desk is also poised to transitions. Okay, transitions from a transactional, okay, and transactional first level IT support to a zero touch service. Okay, okay, transactional first level IT support to a zero touch service desk, implying an intelligent automated the approach to resolving issue with as little human involvement as possible. Okay, personalizations of the employee experience. Personalization. Okay, personalizations of the employee experience. The one size fits all era has ended. The service desk of the future will incorporate and personal driven and methodologies to create user profiles of the employees based on their roles, methodology, and devices use and workloads. For instance, the profiles can further the hyper personalize the resolutions offer based on the key parameters. Okay, personalize and personalizations of the employee experience. Data analytics meets the service desk. Okay, to foster a data driven the culture that the democracies, uh, the service desk analytics companies can adopt the following features and experiment and experimentations. The service desk and experimental service desks and unify the EX dashboard interactive and visualizations objective measurement of the service performs and knowledge graph models to classify and exact and actionable workflow. About the author, the Siddharth Mukherjee, General Manager and Global Practice, the Head Digital Workplace Service. Okay. Okay, so guys, March 2023 evaluations of the service desk. The service desk has been a cornerstone of IT departments for decades, but the evolving availing the needs of employees are now the significantly changing the future of work. ओके सो गाइज आज के लिए बस इतना ही। कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए। नमस्कार। बोलो राधे राधे।